Hi there, it's Babs from Yarn Academy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to knit a reinforced sock sole. This is either reinforced or padded, and it uses a simple slip stitch with the yarn in front to give it this particularly ridged effect. If you want a slightly more subtle effect, then you can simply slip with the yarn behind, but in this example the yarn is in front. So let's show you how simple it is to work this. So you simply knit, bring the yarn to the front, slip the stitch as if to purl, take the yarn to the back, knit a stitch, bring the yarn to the front, slip as if to purl, take the yarn to the back and knit. And that is really as simple as it gets. This is a very, very easy way to give yourself a padded or reinforced sole, because you get these extra layers of yarn that are being brought across those stitches, which gives you that really lovely padded effect. Now, the part I love best about the slipping and the padding for this particular heel is that it is literally a 2-row pattern. So we've done our first row of knitting one and slipping one, and we now do the second row, which is just knit everything all the way across. And it is, as I say, a very, very simple technique, and you can create a slightly more ridged version like this with bringing the yarn forward when you slip, or if you want to have a slightly more subtle version with less ridging but still just as much padding, just slip with the yarn at the back of the needle. And both of them give the same level of padding. It's just a matter of how deep you want these ridges to appear, and these look quite deep with the yarn brought forward, and they are much more subtle with the yarn to the back. So hopefully this video has been of use to you, and I would love to see some of the socks that you're knitting using this padded technique. It works for the heel and the sole, and it gives you a nice squishy, comfy bottom to your sock, and it can be used with any sock pattern. And hopefully I shall see you soon for another tutorial. Bye for now.